Today we'll show you how to delete account in YouTube. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your YouTube and go here to this, and okay. First, now go to settings. Okay, now here you will choose your account. If you have now only one account or two account, what you have. Okay guys, it's no problem. Okay, just now here go switch and choose your account. Just I will now to delete this is hello me. Okay, just click to hello me. I will be delete hello me account. Okay, just now wait a second to open to hello me. Okay guys, just now go to here. Wait guys. Okay, did you see like this? Sorry guys, like this, view advanced, and here you will be see like click to the delete channel and review in Google account like this, and wait. Okay, just wait, focus here. You can put your password. Okay, I will put our password guys. Okay guys, after this we'll be seeing after use your password will be I want to hide my content or I will permanently delete. You can choose this or this. Okay, this is for hiding, like your channel will page, your channel name will be hide everything. Okay, or this will be delete a permanently delete account. Okay, just now we need to delete a permanently, just like this and then like this, and go delete my content, and here put your chain hello me. This is okay, and now finally your channel has been deleted guys. Just a few minutes and now we will back to YouTube and check our channel has been deleted. Just it is need a few minutes, like 10 minutes or 5 minutes to being deleted. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.